So this is the temu shoe and hat rack series. Um, Trying to see what model this is. A560 black. It's kind of a pain to put together, so I'm not going to do it step by step, but I'll do some close-ups so people can look and see. It's all right for being as cheap as it is. If you have boots, you kind of got to put them on the top here. So right here we got like some old Timberland boots, and those fit in there just kind of barely. Some old Rockaware boots. You kind of just got to press like the tongue down and sit them in there. But like, say these Fila boots, they're a little bit taller. They're just not gonna fit in there. So you're definitely gonna have to put those on the top. It's kind of hard to put 3 pairs per row. Kind of got to do 2, unless you're a girl and you're using maybe like high heels or sandals or something. Then you might be able to get 3. But it looks like really like 2 is the way to go. Now, one thing I kind of want to point out, if you're buying this is the best way that I could arrange the hats, and I'll show you why. So put the hooks like this here, because if you just put the hat on just one hook, it's kind of sturdy now, but the way I had it before was like it would just fall right off. So if it falls right off when you're just using one hook, put 2 hooks together and just have them like that. Let's see, you could fit 3 hats going by. But so this is really like when you put these pipes together, they're really awkward in a sense that it kind of curves backwards going up on the top. And so the hats stay on a little bit better when it curves a little bit backwards like that. But if you get everything in there like really, really tight, then the hats will just fall off when it's on one hook. Now it's staying on, but before it was, everything kept falling off. But that's the spacing I did, and that seems to work the best. But I'm gonna mess with it a little bit more. So as for putting it together, let me just zoom down to kind of show people the connections here. So if you're putting this together, you kind of got an idea. So the first thing is the bottom piece. Is you want to have the one that goes like that and then goes down. So it has this ridge here. The instructions are basically in Chinese. They're very, very horrible. But you want to do that all the way up. And then there's 2 different surfaces of these fabrics. So you want to put it with the shiny side up like that. You'll know the difference once you look at it. So going all the way up, you have this that splits that way and that way. Put a thick pipe there, splits this way, that way. Another thick pipe up and over. And then you have the skinny pipes. There's nothing, oh, you have the skinny pipes that go across here. The real skinny ones. And these are the short skinny ones right here. But you do the same thing all the way up. Make sure that this connecting piece goes down. Because when I first put it together, I had these connecting pieces going upwards. And that's when the hats were falling off. And also, if you have these going upwards instead of downwards, you'll have one of these that will be extremely small and you can't fit anything on. So anyways, going up, you get to this part here and this piece goes down, and then you assemble the top half, which is this short pipe. This goes into the L pipe here, which goes down. And this is like the T-shaped pipe here. So you can see as it goes down, over, and then up. And then you have the skinny bar here. And then you have these two that come out here that connect and go up. And that's how you put it together. So again, I'm not doing it step by step, but just showing you what it looks like overall afterwards. You can kind of pause the video and put it together from that. But it's not too bad. It's kind of what I wanted, was just something really small that I could stick in the corner for extra stuff. Because I just have shoes all over the place. Because I do a lot of work outside and stuff. So, yeah, it's not too bad. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Fit about 12 pairs of shoes a minimum. 4 hats a minimum. So it's not a little bad thing to stick in the corner. And it's not, you know, it's not very big. It doesn't extend out very far, so all the shoes are about the same. They come out about the same length. These are all 9.5s. And these are all the fitted New Era hats. I don't think it matters, but I'm sure other hats will hang differently. But that is that.